Hey there, hope you guys are doing good. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to like and share my videos as well. But before we get started and explain the title of this tutorial, which is 3 Minute Friday, the way it's going to work and what I'm planning on doing is uploading every Friday for the next few weeks to see if you guys like it, and let me know in the comments down below if you do, if you're interested or enjoy these small tutorials. What I'm going to do is basically try to upload a video on Fridays that only takes a few minutes to make. The next few weeks are going to be beach theme decor. So for the next few weeks, I'm going to upload every Friday a quick tutorial on how to make something beach theme. Okay, so that's the way it's going to work. And then the next few weeks after that will be something else, and so on and so forth. If you guys like it, if I see that you guys are enjoying these tutorials, I'll continue to make them and leave suggestions down below of things, that you guys, themes that you guys want me to do, whether it's a birthday party theme, whether it's home decor, garden decor, whatever you guys can imagine or think, themes you guys would like to for me to do. So that's what the title means, 3 Minute Fridays. For the next few weeks, I'm going to test it out and see how it works. And if I see that you guys enjoy it, then I'll continue. So let me know in the comments down below again what you guys, what your ideas are and what your suggestions are for themes. And also if you guys would enjoy for me to do this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. You need a frisbee and some white spray paint. Spray paint it. Once it's dry, bring it in and get the blue ribbon from Dollar Tree. And you can either use nautical rope or one of the toy dog balls and unravel it. And that's what I did. With the blue ribbon, I basically just estimated how much ribbon I needed to wrap it around the frisbee 4 times. And then I cut out 4 of ribbons the same size. Added some hot glue to the frisbee and then placed my ribbon over it. Then added some more glue for my rope above the blue ribbon. Held it so it could dry for a little bit and then wrapped the blue ribbon around the rope 4 times and the frisbee. And once you wrap it around 4 times, give it a little pull, a little tug, and then add some hot glue to keep it and stay secure. Hold the blue ribbon for a little while until the glue has time to cool for a little bit, and then cut off the excess ribbon. In between the 2 ribbons, you're going to loosen the rope a little bit, like so. And then repeat the process with the ribbon. Adding glue for the rope and then glue for your ribbon. And then go ahead and wrap it around 4 times again. And you can either do this as many times as you like with the ribbon. I'm actually only going to do 3, but I believe you can do 4. I've seen some with 2. So basically it's just preference on how many times you want the blue ribbon to be around your ring. Now you loosen it up again, and then you do it, get another piece of rope, the ribbon, and then wrap it around again. What took the longest with this project was waiting for the spray paint to dry. And it only took about 2 coats, like I said. And basically, if it's a hot day, it takes a few minutes, actually, if you let it dry between each layer of spray paint. So I'm adding hot glue to 2 of the ribbons that I wrapped around on the last one, and then gluing the rope to that. Then I'm going to make a hoop, and that's going to be where I'm going to hang it from. And basically you just make it as big or as little as you like. Once you like the size of the hoop, go ahead and cut off any of the excess rope. And then add some glue, hot glue, and put that the rope in place. And since I'm going to hang it from here, I wanted to add some Gorilla Glue just to make sure that it would stay in place. With your fourth ribbon, add hot glue over the rope and then glue the ribbon over your rope. Then you're going to wrap it around one time, like so, and then cross it to the other side of the rope. If you see, I'm adding more glue. I'm going up and then over the rope again. Like so. And then I'm going to wrap it around the front again, making sure I'm adding it to the top of the ribbon as well, so it doesn't look like it has more than 4 wraps around. Then adding some glue to secure it in place and cutting off the excess ribbon. And there you have it, your first DIY. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Until next Friday. See you guys soon. Stay blessed. Bye.